Welcome back. Just like I said in my last video, we're going to start powder coating this stand that I made for this mag drill. But first, we got to clean up our mess. We have a mess from this car. We're back halving it right now, and we created some trash. Lots of trash that weighs a lot of pounds. So this here, all this goes to recycle. We're gonna go get the oven out of the shed, or wherever, this little thing over here. We're gonna go get that. So here we go. Let's get started. All right, now that the work area is all cleaned up, we're gonna put the oven back here. Let's go get the oven. It's in here. I got this thing off of Marketplace. Let's dig her out of this old little hole that she's in. Whoa. Had to put some light in here. It's starting to get dark outside. This here trap is for catching them pesky raccoons that try to get my chickens. My chickens don't like it. Gonna do some powder coating. This thing sure is dusty. We gotta knock the dust off it. I've heard that phrase before. Ooh-wee. That's a gem right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use this bad boy. Yeah, I bought it off of TikTok, or not TikTok, Instagram. I got mixed feelings about these. They work really well, but dang, they sure do eat up the batteries quick. Kind of like polishing a turd. Oh, forgot about this. I gotta get a plug for this. I robbed it to put it on something. I'm probably gonna squirrel out, and I'm gonna make a rack that goes in here, because these, I want something that can hang it, but it's gonna go real high in there. So stay tuned for that. All right, now we're gonna disassemble this thing so that we can clean this up. Stay organized. It's easier to keep track of stuff. Now that we got all our bolts in the bag, this should just pop apart. Okay. I'm going to sandblast these in spots, well, the whole thing. I got a Harbor Freight sandblaster, and this all will fit in there. It just makes everything stick nice. You just got to make sure to get all the media off it before you powder coat. All right, now that we got our Marketplace oven fired up, it still works. I'm not going to clean it off because we're not using the top. Ooh, it's heating up. See that element in there? I built that stand. Everything's gonna go in there nice and smooth now. What I'm gonna do now is get all my stuff prepped. I'm gonna use this to hang all the parts from, and then transfer that into there. I'm trying to figure out what color I'm gonna use. I got limited colors here. I'm gonna bust out this Eastwood dual voltage powder coating system thing that I've had for years. Gotta knock the dust off of this too. The colors that I have are wrinkle black and chrome. So this thing may be dual color, which might be kind of cool. So let's get to it. All right, what we're doing right here is we're gonna make a few hangers so that we can hang it from the grate and powder coat them. You have to ground it so that the powder sticks to it. So then we're gonna do this over here, like this jobby. And then you hang them. Make sure you make them high enough that it doesn't hit the bottom, because then if it hits the bottom, then you got to redo them all. So we're going to do it like that, and like that. Then we're going to put that other one next to it. Just look at that glow. I got these powders off of Amazon, and this is a Eastwood powder coater, and I'm using stainless safety wire. All right, now that we got the oven preheated to 400, that's what the powder calls for. We're gonna take our parts, stick them in there, get them warmed up, then we're gonna go get the gun ready.
Would you just look at that? Just look at it.
Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna go get our powder ready. All right, now that we got this powder coating gun over here, let's see. Oops, that means I gotta clean it out. I should have done that when I got finished with it last time. Let's see what, I don't even know what powder's in this. Huh. Well, gotta clean it up. I don't even know if this is the proper way of cleaning these things, because I'm no professional. Alright, that looks pretty clean. Alright, let's put some powder in this old bad boy. See if we can't make some color happen on those metal pieces. Just making a mess. Just making a big old mess. That should be enough. That jar is filled up to about right there. If I don't use it all, I just pour it back in the bag. Alright, stick this back on here. Let's go pull the brackets out of the oven, get them set up, and then we'll... Looks pretty good to me. Alright, now that we got those all coated, gotta move this out of the way. Take our little magic ground, get that off there. Open up this bad boy oven. Man, I can feel the heat coming out of this bad boy. All right, 10 minutes and those things will be done. While we're waiting on the timer, look who just rolled in. Oh, PJ, go to get some food. Look, there he goes. All right, here it goes. Let's get these bad boys out. See how they look. Oop, turn that off. Now that these are all cooled off, I'm going to take them off and set them on Don's Pro Mod engine. I mean streetcar. Now I go change colors in the gun. Let's go lay some color. Alright, let's get this ground rod off and the oven open. Hope I don't trip over the hose. Let's get this thing in the oven for 12 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this thing's smoking. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that. Alright, this is just, there it is. Just about done. I think as soon as I get done with this one, I'm going inside. I'm kind of tired. Whoa. She was she was cooking in there. All right, this just came out of there. Look how shiny it is. Wait till you see what it looks like tomorrow. Ooh, that's gonna look good. All right, today's a new day. We got one more piece to complete this little project. Just fired up this turd. Got one more piece. Let's do this. Let's get this thing done. Oh, duh. You have to hit the button. Please hold. It's ProMod Don. ProMod Don, how you doing?
The Mansion Road now.
You're headed over here to this casita?
I'm passing the little gas station that they're remodeling right now.
Okay, I'm in the back.
I'll be there in 2.5 minutes.
2.5 minutes, we'll see you here.
Alright, bye-bye, sir.
Bye. Alright, now that I did that, I'll go ahead and stick it back in the oven. I think Don just showed up. We got friends and family stopping by all the time. Look at that glow. Start the timer for 12 minutes. Now that all the pieces are cooled down, let's put this thing together and see how it looks. You just gotta hold your tongue right. And voila! I tell you what, you better take a picture because this thing's never gonna be this clean again. Thanks for watching. I'm no professional at this. I do this for fun, and I like doing weird and crazy cool stuff. If you found this entertaining or helpful, leave me a like and comment and let me know what you think. You've heard me talk about Don's car, his ProMod. Yeah, we're doing a back half on it, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, let's see what we got to work with. Thanks, guys. I just saw a bug go in here. That's a bad decision, bug. This is the little engine that could. The cat was sleeping on it. Let's go see if the other metal's hot enough. Let's go hook some stuff up. You know what? I might cook chicken in this later. Nah. I say I'm no professional, but I can make it work. Sometimes I gotta shake it. You know, if you shake it more than twice, it's playing with it. Now that all the pieces have cooled down, let's put it all together. Let's see if it can make us something.